Hey everybody, it's 12:32 and 17 seconds on October 2nd. This is the drawing for the Teen Titans 44, graded 9.4. Over here on the left are the 15 filled spots. Okay. Whoever comes, everybody that's named Mike, apparently I misspelled your name. It's Mile. Mile Fazzini and Mile Topping. Well, if you win, the real person will get the book. Sorry about that, I just noticed it. Winner, I'm not going to be able to ship this until tomorrow at this point. But let's do our 3 dice. Numbers 10. Name at the top of the list gets the book. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is the final one. 10. Spot 8. Nam Nguyen. Time is 12:33 and 20